What am I doing? What am I doing?
But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes and some days, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Even in the middle of the day, Stephen grins a little, so they say. Sometimes, well, I wake and bake. About her, I know she'll only make you cry. She'll let you walk the streets beside her, but when she walks, she'll pass you by. Everybody says she's looking good, and the lady knows it's understood. Strut her,
her satin like a lady. She gets her way just like a child. You'll take her home and she'll say, maybe, baby. She takes you down and drives you wild. Everybody says she's looking good, and the lady knows it's understood. Strutter, na 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 da da da, la 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 la. Strutter, ba da ba da ba ba, na na na. Strutter, la 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 da da da. Strutter, watch out, she'll make you cry. Everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and Kiss classic music. Today, we got a very special show planned for you today. So without further ado, please welcome NANABOOZHOO! Hey, that really rhymed.
Turn down the lights, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me closely and don't patronize. Don't patronize me, 'cause I can make you love me. You can make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart. I'll feel the power that you don't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can make you love me. If you don't, if you don't, I'll close my eyes, then I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come, I'll do what's right, la-dee-dee-da, and I'll give up this fight. 'Cause I can make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart, and I feel the power that you don't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can make you love me if you don't. If you don't. If you don't. If you don't. Michael, you're just, I don't know what to say, you're a virtuoso. Ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons. And I can't make you love me if you don't. I've tried. I've threatened you. I put you in a headlock, said, love me. But that don't work. Take a boat to England, baby, maybe to Spain. Wherever I have gone, anywhere I've been and gone, anywhere I have gone, the blues are all the same. Send out for whiskey, baby, send out for gin, me and room service, honey, me and room service, babe, me and room service. Well, we're living a life of sin. I'm not drinking, baby, you're on my mind. When I'm not sleeping, honey, when I ain't sleeping, mama, when I ain't sleeping, well, you know, you'll find me crying. Is a gamble, baby, loving's much the same. Wherever I have played, anywhere I've rolled them dice, anywhere I have played, the blues are all the same. I was born in a small town, and I live in a small town. I'll probably die in a small town or a small community. All my friends are so small town. My parents live in the same small town. My job is so small town, provides little opportunity. Educated in a small town, taught to fear Jesus in a small town. I used to daydream in this small town, another bored romantic, that's me. Well, I've seen it all in a small town, had myself a ball in a small town. I met an LA darling, I brought her to this small town. Now she's small town just like me. No, I cannot forget where it is I come from. I cannot forget those who love me. I can be myself here in the small town, and people let me be just what I wanna be. Yeah, 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 yeah. Got nothing against the big town. Still hayseed enough to say, look who's in the big town. Well, my bed's in a small town, and that's good enough for me. Well, I was born in a small town, and I can breathe in a small town. I'll probably die in a small town. That's probably where they'll bury me.
Hey, sweetie, you want to send us out? You know it, baby! Alright! I said, alright! Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. And if you'd like to support the show, click the link in the description and give us a thumbs up. I will see you again. GOFUNDME.